So here's an interesting question which asks us to prove that 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. So firstly, I know that root 2, root 3, root 5, they are irrational numbers, right? But 3 plus root 5, is it an irrational number? Maybe or may not be, and we need to prove that. So here, the method that I'm going to make use of is the method of contradiction. So using the method of contradiction, how am I going to figure out whether 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number or not? Very simple. So when I say I'm making use of method of contradiction, what does that mean? So I am basically considering 3 plus root 5 to be a rational number. So when I say rational number, what does that mean? I can write it in terms of A by B, where A and B are coprimes. So when I say they are coprimes, what do I mean? Their highest common factor is 1. That is when I say something is coprime. So now, when I go further to continue with, I will keep root 5 since I am aware of something related to that. I'll keep it here, and rest I'll be transferring to the other side. So it's A by B minus 3, because the positive 3 coming to the other side would be negative 3. So now root 5 equals, here I can take the LCM and do a little logic over here with respect to LCM, and I'll be able to get it as A minus 3B by B. And here, when I see this particular part, I am 100% sure that this is something that I'm able to represent in terms of A by B. So it has to be a rational number, correct? So now, which means I am at the stage where I'm able to see here that root 5 is equivalent to some rational number. And do we agree with this? Definitely not, because we are aware of the fact. So we know that, what do we know? We know that root 5 is an irrational number. So now, what is our conclusion from it? Using the method of contradiction, we have come to the wrong conclusion, which means, what is understood? Our assumption of this being a rational number is wrong. So when our assumption is wrong, what could be the correct thing then? Obviously, so our assumption is wrong, so I can definitely say that 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. That's how I will be proving the given number to be an irrational number using the method of contradiction, just for the fact that I know how rational numbers works and how can I represent that. And using little knowledge of rationals and irrationals, it is very simple and it's very easy to figure out and also prove whether something asked is rational or irrational. I hope it helped you. Thank you.